Hey guys, Tom Baxter here, and today we are rocking out. We're going to take you through a quick outdoor workout, and that's what this new series is going to be with myself, Tom Baxter, and Jesse Minty at the Healthy T. And this one is all about plyometric training, using your time wisely. Don't need a lot of time to get out a good leg workout, so we'll show you the movements. Let's get right at it. Single-legged plyometric box jump. So we use the rock today. It could be a bench, anything that's got some elevation that you're comfortable to bound up to. One-legged is obviously more challenging, making sure you're dropping down, bending that leg and exploding up out. Try and do as many as you can on this one leg and then progress to the other, or change to the other rather. And then we're going to go into the two-legged bounding with a drop burpee and explode back up into that box jump. If you prefer, you can use a bigger elevation for that one if you feel more comfortable. Alright guys, so hopefully you've either tried that or you're excited to do so. Please like, share, subscribe. You can follow me, T Baxter PT, on my Instagram, and all the information's down below. Thanks very much.